Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check this out, my Dyson is not working and I'm getting these flashing red lights. So that means that your battery is shot. I'm gonna show you how to change that really quick. All right guys, so I got a new battery from Amazon and this one came with filters, 2 filters. And these are pretty easy to change. You just pull them out and you replace them. So this is good to have. And then it came with like a brush, and this thing has like a pick on this side that helps you clean this roller. You know, see all the hair that gets stuck on here? I think this is just to pick this out. So, and you also have a screwdriver, and you have the battery itself. And this is it. So you just need to, it's a little screw in here. This is what you have this little screwdriver for. All right, next just push down on this thing. That's gonna release that, but if you press it all the way down, it undoes this part. And then you're able to get this little screw here too. Unscrew this part. Now this whole thing comes out, and you're just gonna put the new battery in the same way. All right, let's put the screw back in. And when you screw this in, it's just plastic, so don't try to force it. It should go in easy. This one. Okay. Now I don't know if these come already charged. So she's working. There you got the blue lights. So this you just pop it back in. You have like a little hook over here. All right, she's working again. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.